G'day guys, so today I haven't got much for you. Lockdown's been a right pain in the ass. Everywhere I've tried to get some steel for the 1 tonner steel sheet has been pretty much closed, or they don't have what I need. So I'm just going to take you for a drive. Still locked down, still only 5k's, but the weather's beautiful. I'm hopefully, unless I have a breakdown, I'm not going to interact with anybody. So see how we go. But I haven't taken the wagon or the Monaro for a spin for a while. I might have to bleed the brakes on the Monaro. It has one of those like slow leaks. So we'll do that. We'll just get out, try and feel a bit better in this bloody pandemic. Friggin' lockdown, number 6.
A few moments later.
Here we go, the old wagon, the old faithful. I've had her over 20 years now, about 22 years. Actually missed her 40th birthday. She's bloody magnificent. Just touch wood. Put some fuel in it, make sure the battery's charged, start her up. She just goes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There you go. So got the old girl down from the hoist, and as I thought, brakes need bleeding, but also we got a bit of a leak around the carby. So we'll have to have a bit of a look-see. See what's going on. Alright, so it's a bit of a hodgepodge this. It is as it was when I got it. So I have had this this fuel hose down the back where the pump is shit itself and cracked and flooded, so I'm going to guess that's it. So that is leaking out the top there. So I'll just replace that, should be happy days. And I forgot to press record. Surprise. So I got it off. Only took a couple minutes from there, and pretty sure this will be the problem. It's got splits and cracks in it. It's just old. I mean, I've had the car for 14, 15 years, and I've never replaced it, so I don't know how long it was on there for. So anyway, we'll go down and see if Repco can get me another piece of pipe. Okay, brakes bled. So I didn't film it. There's millions of bloody YouTube vids on bleeding brakes. I will say, if you're doing it by yourself, it's easier if you've got somebody else. If you're doing it by yourself, one of these little things, they don't cost too much. The idea is that you put a vacuum pump on this. What you can do is just hook it up, crack the nipple, and gravity feed. Give it a pump a few times. It won't, as long as the level is above that tube, it's not going to pump air back up into it. So give it a pump a few times. It'll and let it gravity feed, and it'll go down and bleed your brakes. So a bit of a one-man operation. All right, so heading down to get some fuel hose for the engine now, the carby.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I went down to Repco, click and collect only. So, and then when I went on the website thinking I could do it and then just walk in, it was 3 to 7 days for that store. So I know I've got a piece of hose around somewhere. Would not have a clue where it is. Could be anywhere. It'll probably be just the perfect size for that. But anyway, meanwhile, I'm just going to sit here and drink out of my feminine-looking mug and see if we can find it, or try to patch it together so I can put everything away. Bloody lockdown's doing my nut in. Doing my nut in.